Noah! Please tell me you're not downloading another idea from heaven again.
If you think your neighbors are weird, imagine living next to a guy building a whole cruise ship in the middle of a desert. No ocean, no river, not even a puddle. Just heat, dust, and one man with unlimited faith and very questionable carpentry skills.
No. This one is legit. God said, build a boat.
A boat? Babe, we live in the desert.
At least I'm not buying a motorcycle.
Build what God said. But please don't use my good cooking tables as wood again.
Too late.
And just like that, Noah invented the very first midlife crisis project. Everyone thought he'd lost it. His sons tried to stay supportive. It's keyword, tried.
Hey yo, my man Noah, you starting the Sand Yachts Club?
This guy is crazy. This guy is nuts.
Thanks why you see if your wife kicked you out. Yeah. Maybe we should, I don't know, measure something before building? At this point, we are just attaching wood to more wood, and we can't even invite our friends over. They keep asking if they're joining the cult. Boys, trust me, God gave me the blueprint. Faith isn't always neat.
When this fails, can I keep the leftover wood? Times are tough, brother.
That's when Noah blocked his entire neighborhood mentally. Then out of nowhere, boom, animals start pulling up. 2 of everything, marching in like they all open the same group message.
Alright. Lions, check. Giraffes, check. Turtles, wow. You all took too long. Snakes, who invited the snakes?
Excuse me, Noah. Where's first class?
You are an animal. You are first class. God? Then I exchanged the mosquitoes for maybe, I don't know, snacks?
Heaven said no, even paradise had no refunds.
Is there Wi-Fi on this ark? My husband works remotely.
Ma'am, the world is ending.
So, that's a no.
At this point, Noah was on the verge of starting the world's first HR department.
Noah? The sky looks angry.
That's the part I was trying to tell everybody. Bro, Noah, we were just joking. Can we come inside? Sorry, fellas. Guest list is 2 per species. What species are we? Loud ones.
And then it started to rain. Soft at first, then heavy, then unstoppable. The same people who laughed were suddenly not laughing anymore. For the first time, the world understood faith.
You really heard from God.
This carbon service is terrible.
Still no Wi-Fi.
Lord, why do rabbits come with auto-multiply?
40 days on the ark felt like 40 years. especially with mosquitoes practicing aerial combat at 3 a.m.
I didn't even want to come.
Sometimes God asks you to build something that makes no sense, to trust Him when the world calls you crazy, to move in faith before the evidence arrives. People will laugh, people will doubt, people will misunderstand. But when the rain comes, that same faith that looked foolish becomes the only thing that keeps you afloat. So whatever your arc is, your dream, your calling, your assignment, build it, even when it's dry, even when you feel alone, even when it looks impossible, because someone's life might depend on it. But seriously, the mosquito didn't even want to come.